According to online search engine land, Google's FY22 Q3 incomes reveal sluggish developments for ads, and also management is attributing the decrease to the advertising pulling back on spends. SEL states the sluggish development could be a warning to marketers that even more spending plans cuts and higher CPCs could be on the horizon. Just how to adjust. In his write-up on advertising and marketing during inflation, Michael Leiman Sr., VIP of Approach as well as operations at Local IQ, reminds us all rising cost of living is a leading issue amongst local business owners. It is probably temporary, and there are methods to adjust. He also suggests analysing your prices and also revenue margins, and also locating ways to cut prices. He suggests analysing your prices and also revenue margins, and also locating ways to cut price, making use of free and also low price techniques of advertising, assessing your cash, money, as well as debt, and increase costs if you require to do so. You can get even more information in his post. In addition to use our rate rise letter tips as well as templates. A full funnel approach can additionally aid with enhancing your conversion rates. Rather than striving just for bottom funnel conversions, develop campaigns for lower friction supplies to drive awareness and also interaction up funnel. You can, after that, nurture those leads with email projects to build count on and or retarget them with lower funnel deals. Broadsuit is more comprehensive than ever before. Not only did Google get rid of customized wide suit keywords last year, but ever since it has likewise been prompting accounts to make use of Broadsuits with smart bidding process, presuming as to release a restricted beta test recently that permits advertisers to get rid of keyword suit kinds altogether at the campaign degree. More comprehensive matching is leading advertisements to stand for more queries consisting of those with low business intent. Because CTR hasn't altered generally, we can collect that individuals are still clicking advertisements just as much. However, considering that the intent isn't there, they're not transforming. Just how to adopt. In her article on Google's Promote Wide Match with Smart Bidding, international paid media consultant and speaker Michelle Morgan advised using phrase match, exact suit, or dynamic search ads instead. However, that if you do wind up selecting Google's recommendation upgrade to ensure you have enough conversion information to begin with, routinely examine your search queries, be traditional with spending plan, and also establish bidding process constraints to begin. Devin Anderson, VP of Media Delivery and Automation at Local IQ, points out that along with the elimination of modified wide match, we are also seeing phase suits and wide match keywords matching more extensively in general, leading ads to show for rival searches as well as unimportant keywords. If additional precautions are not taken proactively. To maintain your ad standing for the appropriate searches, make certain to remain on top of your keyword efficiency, regularly maintaining your adverse search phrase list. I hope some of this is giving you a bit of light as to what is going on. And if you like my videos, to press the like button below. Also press on the bell up the top and put all, and you will be informed when another video is posted. Thank you for watching. This is Ian Jackson saying goodbye.